welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my check-in for week 4, seeing where I've spent money and just seeing what I've been up to, basically. So, come on in. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. I am a mum to 2 children. I recently quit my full-time teaching job to set up my own private tutoring business and do loads of side hustles, loads of, I was going to say dodgy things, not dodgy, interesting things to make extra cash on the side. And if you think that is something of interest to you, if you just want someone to follow for ideas, then I would absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit the little thumbs up icon, and then go ahead and hit that little bell notification button so that you know every single time that I upload a video, because every time you do, honestly, it makes me so happy. You guys are amazing. You know I love you so much. And if you're already subscribed, of course, you already know how much I love you. You're brilliant. Thank you. All right. So how are we almost at the end of June already? It's exciting, but it's not, and scary. And yeah, I'm excited to see this month how much impact I've had on my savings and my debt sort of impact. I really am, because I feel like it must be something good this month. I'm feeling confident. I don't know, I'm excited. I do love the little surprise at the end. It's very sad. Right, so this week I had a little bit of spends. I did get out and about because, you know, why not? It's been one of those kind of weeks where I've been busy. I've got quite a bit to catch up on because it's been a few days since I've done my check-ins. So let's go back all the way back to the 20th last Monday. So we had a no spend day. I was very, very good. I'll say very, very good. Yeah, it was interesting. I've been trying to sort the house out. I think because the weather's been nice, I've been feeling, obviously it's a bit late for spring cleaning, isn't it? But I wanted to get sorted and organised and minimalising and everything like that, and just took a load of clothes to the charity shops and things that normally I would want to try and sell them, but after my last disaster of trying to sell stuff, I've been put off. And also because, I don't know, some stuff I just think, oh, it's not worth trying to sell that. So lots of Alexander's just seems to have shot off at the size at the minute, so luckily we've got that in there. Tuesday, in fact, I might have to go and do a bit of a buy-in. I tend to get a lot of his things from charities or hand-me-downs, and it's not like I've still got a load of Holly's clothes from when she was little. She's nearly 6 foot now. None of them's going to fit him, but well, might do, but I don't know how I feel about wearing a dress. Tuesday, yeah, another day. So I had a massive sort out. Just got rid of loads of stuff, loads of junk, and just kept on it. And Mum took him out for the day on Tuesday so I could sort out my office and get a bit more straight with my own books and things like that. Wednesday, work all day, literally all day. I work teaching from 9 o'clock in the morning and don't finish at 8 o'clock at night on a Wednesday. Sometimes every other week, that is. Thursday, I'm in work again all day. Another no spend day. Doing all right with my no spend days. And then on Friday, another work all day and into the evening kind of thing as well. See, work keeps us out of mischief. It's quite good. I did make up for it at the weekend though. So on Saturday, I actually went, because I did initially have a girls' night planned, and then just we saw each other anyway earlier on in the month, so that wasn't too bad. So I decided to go with the Ribble Valley because I used to live over there. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. It makes me sad every time I go back because I wish I was still there. And I went to just catch up with a friend that I hadn't seen for a while. Sat outside, had some ice creams and got some food and things for the kids. So it cost £23.64. And then on Sunday, I got some groceries, just a bit of shopping. And it wasn't too bad. It was £27.17. And then Monday, decided to be quite good again. Just went to the park with Alex. And today is Tuesday, so I'm going to go get my nails done very, very shortly. I've been up nice and early to film this for you. So when next time you see my nails, they'll be look quite nice. I hope. Anyway. I'll get my toenails done, get my fingers done, and I've been told it's going to be £30. So I'm going to leave that down as £30. Can't see it being any different. I'm excited. Bit of pampering will be nice for me. So let's colour these in. Where are we? Get rid of you. We've got, yeah, time for me, purple. Groceries. Go, and then my nails, which comes under beauty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get ahead of the game and do this one already. That's us done. So yay, all sorted. Right, I've got a little bit of change. Let's have a look where that's going to go. Right, so we've got, oh, I'm in the wrong wallet completely. Why am I even in this one? No idea. Don't want this one. Let's try the right one. There we go. Time for me. So I might actually take the 5 out of this one as well, because I'm just thinking about one of my challenges to use up. We'll still leave some in there. Normally I would leave my notes in, but I'm just thinking I've got a couple of challenges that kind of require that. What's going on here? Groceries. Oops, daisy. There we go. Yeah, that'll be fine. So, what have we got left? We've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh gosh. £9. Very foldy. 5, 10, 16, 19. Okay, £9.19. So I know I'm going to be able to use some of this in my penny saving challenge. Let me check this. I've got a £2 coin, so I know that's going to go in my 2 coin drawer. Oops. When I was little and £2 coins first came out, yeah, that's how old I am. I remember my nana used to save up. She didn't like the £2 coins, so she used to save up for £2 coins all year. And when it was Christmas, she just used to give us all a bag of £2 coins. We thought it was the best thing ever, me and my cousins. I don't know, that's just had a sudden flashback to that then. Seeing the £2 coins, because I don't tend to see a great deal of them. I don't know, maybe. Right, I forgot. Oh, I can't. Oh, I could. What do I have here? Like, oh, I don't know. Hang on. I don't know why I keep that in there. I don't want to do anything with it. I was hoping there'll be a £5 one. No, I've not got a £5 one, but I've got £7 and a bit changed. So even the £7 one's gone. So I could do a £2 one, couldn't I? I can get some of the. I'll do the £2 one. If I do the £2 one like this, and that's that one and that one. And then, like I did the other day, that feels really heavy actually. Like I did the other day, I can, I've got £5 and was it 19 pence? 19p. Like, I forgot here. I did £3.19, have I got a £2 one? Yeah, that would work, wouldn't it? So if I do £3.19 and then the £2, that's the equivalent of what's there. I'm getting good at this. I'm getting savvy. I'm working it out. Got it. Got it sorted. There we go. Oh, I better put it back in. That would help, wouldn't it? It's because I'm trying to do it so quiet so it doesn't make loads of noise on the camera. There we go. Right. That's us all sorted and checked in. I hope you found it useful and yeah, you're having a great week. I will see you really, really soon. I'm off to get my nails done. I'm so excited. Yeah, and I'll catch you really, really soon. Bye.